Super Glue's Fix All Adhesive is a good glue for shoe repair. It stays flexible once it cures, it's water resistant, and it sticks to rubber, canvas, leather, and fabrics. Put a uniform coat on both surfaces and let it dry for 10 minutes before you press the pieces together. For very porous surfaces, put a thick coat and allow it to dry for 30 minutes before you press the surfaces together. And I'm going to use a plastic spoon to help spread it. When you're applying this glue, make sure you do it in a well-ventilated area. Once you press them together, allow it to cure for 24 hours before you use them.